Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jewelry by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video.
Use the spacers that I made, and it's not as dynamic as I had wanted the necklace to be, but this is the finished product from the beads, and then I used some of the painted beads. I just sat here and thought to myself, I'm gonna have to order some beads. So I was on one of the websites, and I picked out some really nice beads that I'm gonna just go ahead and order because I do need some new beads. And this is this piece right here. That's a piece of beach glass that I wrapped in wire. And then as I go up, now this wire on the beach glass, that's the 18 gauge gold tone wire that I always use. And then the other wires are from the new wire that I got recently. So you can see, and also the glass beads, I went ahead and threw those in there. And then, oh, and then this right here. So that bead, I did a little something extra. Some of the beads, the wire beads, I wrapped with more wire. And it came out looking like this. I only have this one left. I like it, but it's not as dynamic as I wanted it to look. Not bad though. I would wear it. So it's not a really bad necklace, and I think I'll put a pair of earrings with it. Maybe something wired. Let me know what you guys think about it. Alrighty, family, and we'll talk soon.